Hey everyone, this is Tuhan Aditya from LightHaven. Today I want to share with you guys a double stick gunting partner drill. First, let's just really quickly talk about what the gunting is. The gunting is a way for me to protect myself from an oncoming attack and hit my opponent's arm at the same time. The gunting means to scissor. So the basic gunting that we do, I've shared on this channel before, is just closing, opening, closing, opening, and we're going to find a way to apply this. The solo version of this drill is quite simple. I'm going to go close and my right hand's on top. If I'm stepping to my left, my right hand's going to be on top. I go close and then from here I'm going to go broken, angle 2, open, right hand stays on top. I go to my right, my left hand's on top. Close, broken, angle 2, open. Close, broken, angle 2, open. Close, broken, angle 2, open. All of this is assuming that you are already comfortable with the basic gunting. I'm going to leave a link to a longer explanation on the basic gunting and some drills around the basic gunting somewhere in the description down below. Do check that out if you are not comfortable with the gunting already. So we're going to start in this open chamber load position and we're just going to go broken angle 1. So we're just going to go angle 1, angle 1, angle 1, angle 1. Okay, I'm going to have, it's up to you which leg you want forward, but you want some leg forward. You want either the right leg or the left leg forward. So I'm going to keep my right leg forward. You know, angle 1, angle 1, angle 1, angle 1. That's the base of the drill. From here, I am going to go gunting, open, close, open. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, close, open, close, open. Veda's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, close, open, close, open. My turn. 2, 3, 4. Close, open, close, open. Just give me angle 1. I am making contact with the top part of, I'm making contact in this V. Okay. Don't try and go to the side or anything like that. Here, cut through, open, cut through, close, cut through, open, cut through. That's the first part of the drill. When you get comfortable with this, you should be able to move around. But the second part of the drill, now I'm going to go close, broken, angle 2, open. Now if I start with my right hand, so this is going to be a little bit confusing, but if I start with the right hand, very slowly I go right hand 1, 2, 3, 4. Now she's going to hit with the right hand, I'm going to go gunting with the right hand on top. Gunting. Now the right hand stays on top, right hand goes angle 2, broken. Now the right hand still on top, and I open gunting with the right hand on top. And now the next strike is going to be with the left hand. So I go 1, left hand, 2, 3, 4. Now again the next strike is going to be with the left hand. So I'm going to close gunting with the left hand on top now. Left hand is still on top. I go broken, angle 2. Left hand is still on top. I go open. And now right hand starts. I go right, left, right, left. Right hand's on top, broken right hand's on top. Now left, right, left, right. Now left hand's going to be on top for everything. Left's on top, broken with the left, left's on top. And then it's Veda's turn to do this. So we're working both guntings with the right hand on top, because if Veda hits me with her right side, my right hand will need to protect me from her stick, and my left hand is going to come and eventually hit her hand, right? So that's why this hand's going to be on top. After this, I'm going to go boom. I hit that head, or if something comes from that side, or an angle 2 comes from the same hand, go angle, fluid angle 1, fluid angle 2. That protects me, the strike across protects me from something coming from that side. If nothing comes, I hit a head, and then I open the gunting. Same, that gunting, now give me angle 1, angle 2, angle 1 from that hand. So I go gunting, hit, boom, that's my opening. And every time I do a gunting, one stick goes to her stick, give me angle 1 please. And just freeze. One stick goes to her stick, so I don't get hit. The other hand goes to the other stick goes to her hand. So I am protecting myself and hitting her at the same time. If I go to the left side, my left hand's going to be on top. Why is the top hand important? Which hand's on top? Because if she comes with her right hand and my left hand is on top, for example, Veda, reach me? She can reach me very easily. But if my right hand's on top, reach me? Now she can't reach me, right? So it's important to know which hand needs to be on top at what point. So we're working right hand on top, a really simple gunting combination, and left hand on top, a really simple gunting combination. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you learned from what you saw, please do like and share this video. If you have anything to add to the discussion or any questions, please leave that in the comments down below. Please just subscribe to the channel. All of these things really do help out the school and the channel a lot. A huge thank you to all of our YouTube members and our patrons. Thank you so much for your support. If you'd like to know more about our Patreon page and our new YouTube membership, the link in the description is going to be down below. Lastly, thank you Veda for all of your help. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.